Okay guys, it is Saturday. We are down here at the shop. We are trying out the new camera for today using the Sony CyberShot something DX ML9 or something, I don't know. But we'll give this camera a try for a few days anyway. I got 14 days. If I don't like it, no questions asked, bring it back. So, first off, you guys gotta know the weather, of course. Hey, it's raining. Yep. It's raining. Yeah, so it sucks. It's a little bit cold out, nothing too cold out. Son of a bitch, that's great. Left the stupid battery cables all hooked up from yesterday. That's lovely. So, I gotta go up to Walmart today. I gotta find me another battery so I could use it as a core charge. Or else they're gonna sock me 10 bucks for the damn son of a bitch. I don't want to pay that. So I might get that one right there, but I don't know if it's any good. So I'm gonna try hooking that up to something or other. Just see how many charge bites I get out of the thing. Still got quite a bit of acid in it. I forget what I used it for. It might have been for the This might have came out of the old redneck lawn chair before I stripped it all down. That's what that came out of. I don't know. I'll friggin' fire it, just put it on the charger, see what happens. If it reads like 12 or something stupid, I'm just gonna core charge it. But I might have another one out in the shed. I gotta look. It's kind of rainy out though. So I'm gonna go up to Walmart, get the battery hopefully, and I also gotta go possibly to Harbor Freight. I might pick up some new buffer pads. One of my buffer, where is it? It's right here. It's pretty much gone, so it kind of popped through the other side a couple of days ago. So we gotta get new of those. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. Once I get the motor running, I'm gonna really start putting this thing together. I'm gonna throw the deck on her, the PTO clutch, put that other hood together because that one's kind of all cracked and shit. So yeah, hopefully by Tuesday this thing will be on Craigslist, which would be awesome, if not any sooner. Faster it goes, the faster I get paid. That'd be awesome. But what else we got going on? Not really a whole lot. Yeah, nothing really else going on. Oh, I gotta try that bicycle tube too, just kind of sort of make sure that thing fits. If that thing don't fit the QT50, then it's going back. Beautiful. So, I'll start some stuff up, and we'll talk to you in a bit. How do I stop this thing again? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, so I just got back from Walmart, and holy shit. I think like 90% of the friggin' population of like this half of the state want to go to Walmart today. So, I go there. I looked at a few other odds and ends and went in the bike section. I just wanted to find like a mirror for this thing. Couldn't really find anything. So, I go to Walmart. I'm in the battery section. Looking at the batteries, and they have like 2 batteries left for the 35 cranking amp. I got the little high-end version. And I picked up the battery. There's no price scanner tag thing on it or anything like that. So I bring it. There's only 2 left. I asked the manager if there was any other. He's like, nope, just bring it to the register. They'll know what to do. Alright, whatever, no big deal. So I go to the register. I had like a soda and just like a bag of chips or something like that, just so I can eat along the way home. And lady goes, oh, there's no price tag. And I go, yeah, the manager said you guys know what to do up here. She's like, oh, well, I gotta call someone. So she calls someone. Then you hear it over the friggin' loudspeaker, blah, 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 please report to register 2. I'm like, great, this is just going to be wonderful. So the lady's like, alright, I'm going to have you go over there. I got to ring up a few other people. This time the line's getting pretty long. So I'm waiting. I'm like, what the hell? It's like, alright, if he's not here within 3 minutes, I'm going to say something. Wait. And I was kind enough to wait another 5 minutes. So I go up to the lady and I go, is the manager coming or I'm still waiting? She's like, oh, you're still waiting. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought he came. I'm like, Jesus fucking Christ. So she calls the manager again. Manager says, oh, I'll be right down. Wait. I'm like, are you fucking for real? Waiting there for another good... By this time, I'm waiting in line for 15 minutes now. I go, is your manager still coming? She's like, oh, he not come yet. I go, no, he ain't come yet. So I'm waiting there. Finally, the fucking manager comes. He sells me the battery for like $15. I was like, fucking right. So, yeah, that's awesome. So, just another fucking, this is the old one right here, the Everstar. They ended up returning the other one. They wanted to give me a little hassle saying I was going to have to call Everstart company saying that the battery doesn't start. I'm like, dude, just fucking give me the money back. I'm just exchanging it. So, by this time, I was going to go back and get another battery for $15, but I said, fuck it, ain't worth my time. So, I'm kind of surprised that they don't put another label on it other than the one that's on the top. All what it was just like this top piece was missing, and I don't know what the deal is. The dude took some black light to it and trying to find some code. I don't know what the deal is. Couldn't find it, so he ended up selling me the battery for like $15 or something like that. So I'm like, fucking right. It's not the Everstart, but there's not even a decal on it. It's just got the 112, and well, I got it running, so that's fucking awesome. But I'm not really too happy about Walmart's customer service, because that kind of sort of sucked. You know, you're waiting there for at least, I just must have been in line there for a good 20 minutes, just waiting there, you know. It's like, why would you do that? But let's see what time it is. Ooh, get friggin' missed calls everywhere. Two voicemails, blah, blah, blah. It's 12:58 right now. So, yeah. But I didn't end up going, well, I kind of sort of was going to go to Harbor Freight, but they had friggin' traffic at the Natick Mall that was up my asshole, so I said, not going in there, go home. So I didn't get my buffing pads. Friggin', it's like a friggin' crazy town up there right now, and I didn't even want anything to do with up there. But anyone see that one goose comment last night saying, oh, holy shit, dude fucking wrote me 4 paragraphs last night on a friggin' comment. It's like, dude, seriously? And he's like saying, your videos are shit, this, that, and the other thing. I'm like, dude, fuck off. So I saw Redneck Machines comments and stuff like that, and I thought that was pretty funny, so I ended up blocking the goof. And he commented the night before I didn't do anything. He's like, oh, did you try putting the battery cables up to the battery? I go, yeah, did that, still nothing. I mean, obviously there's not enough friggin' power to crank the stupid things over. But yeah, I ended up getting the 30, what am I saying? Yeah, the 335 cranking amp. Sticker is on this side, I think. Nope, sticker's on the other side. Really? Oh yeah, guess that's right. Battery sticker's on the other side. So I guess I can't show you, but it's in there. And the best part about this battery is it turns over the motor. Fucking right, it even starts too. Put her in choke. Fucking right. So that's awesome. That's really awesome. So I got a good run tractor, or a good running motor anyway. I don't know about the transmission yet. I gotta hook up the PTO clutch so I can hook up that pulley and put the belt on and different things like that. So I guess we'll get going on that, and yeah, so that's fucking awesome. Surprised the gas is still good in this thing too. I smelled it. It kind of had a little bit of octane to it, so that's awesome. And I don't even know how much this gas is in here, but yeah, we're like right there, so it'll be enough just to get around the friggin' house with it. So, fucking rights, it's running. Oh yeah. So I guess I'll pull this thing out, pull the other one in, And call some missed calls and missed texts. Holy shit. Alright, so we got the other Scots in now. I ordered the intake for it. I think I ordered probably Tuesday or so. It should be here Monday, I think, or Tuesday afternoon. Possibly it might come today. I don't even know. But I got the intake for it. Wait, what day did I order that? I think I ordered Thursday. No, wait, what day? Yeah, I ordered the intake Thursdays when I ordered it. That's what I did. And they shipped it. They shipped it, I don't even know. But anyway, the other Scotch tractor's in. And now I get to pull off the PTO clutch off this thing. So I can use it on that one. Yeah, and then I gotta swap over the hood grill. Son of a bitch, this grill is gonna get swapped over onto that one. And yeah, anything else I see that needs to come off. I think I might keep that ball hitch though. So then I can put that right on mine. So that'd be pretty sweet. But then again, I really don't even know what I can tow with it. It's something that low. But I guess I'll be just chopping this tractor up. Just because, you know, it's really not worth fixing it. A lot of you guys say, oh, I should go romping with them. Where the hell would you like me to take my tractor to go romping? Huh. I can't fucking drive it out on the street or else I get a ticket like friggin' 2 years ago. Oh yeah. Friggin' we had the cops here and everything, and PJ was here too. He was popping wheels in the street. Yeah. Yeah, people get pretty pissed off when you ride a lawn tractor in the street. Friggin' unbelievable. But I do have these woods way down back there. And you can't even fucking do nothing there. It's mainly made for walking. You can't even bicycle in there without them getting all friggin' pissed off. But yeah, so that kind of sucks. So oh well, I'll just you know, chop her up, make a little bit of coin off of her, and take her from there. But I gotta get that PTO off and put her on there. I think tomorrow I'll do all the small. Today I'll do all the small stuff, and then tomorrow I'll do the big stuff. I'll put the deck on tomorrow. Swap over one of the tires for the front, tire rim for the front. I mean, these ones here are just gone, but there's a good one right here, and there's a bad one right there. So I'm gonna swap those out. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put these tires come springtime on my Husqvarna because he's a little bit bigger. Really lift her up a little bit. And yeah. So, oh, that's just great. Wonderful. So, I guess we'll just take her from there and see if she comes along. Let's see what kind of bolt I need. That's about a 5/8 or so. That's a big sucker. So, I guess we'll see what happens. Okay, well, I got the friggin' PTO clutch on. Swapped it out over here. Man, that thing is pretty damn confusing though. I thought one of these wires was disconnected and I started yanking on it, and no, it's just a really bad design. But I did drive it. I just kind of sort of drove it back and forth just to make sure everything worked, and drove actually pretty good. I didn't really need a warm up or anything. It just kind of sort of went. That's awesome. So now I'm just going to get ready to work on that hood. Unscrew them pieces, and pretty much make one hood. So that looks pretty good. I don't know when I'm going to chop this tractor up. Probably not until I sell the motor. I'll probably sell the motor first, or the rear end first. Probably sell the rear end first, then the motor, so that way the person can friggin' test drive it and different things. So yeah, we'll get back to you in a bit. Now listen to some Zac Brown Band, what is it? Zac Brown, She's Walking Away. See, I couldn't even do that on my old camera. You guys would have never been able to see that. Shit, I could probably zoom in on this insulation up here. Let's see if we can see the fibers. The fibers, ladies and gentlemen, the fibers. Holy. Sweet. Alright, so here's where we're at. I started taking a set disassembling that hood over there. And then I kind of sort of realized I have some really white shit all over this hood, and I can't quite figure out what it is. I couldn't, it wouldn't really come off with the carb cleaner, which was really surprising, so I ended up having to wet sand it. And I just kind of started to hit it by hand with the buffer. I mean, it's alright looking. I'm not 100% liking it too much. So I'm thinking maybe what I might do, and obviously there's still quite a bit of swirls in it, but I mean, that's just from previous, not from me. I might come back over it maybe with 2000 grit and just really smooth it out just a little bit more. I mean, the hood's orange all the way through, so I can't damage it too much. But this stuff is just in there. Can't figure out what the hell this shit is. But I'll get her off. But and it's alright looking. So I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. I might get the 2000. I mean, I only did that one spot, which is like right in this area. So I guess we'll have to wait and see how it turns out. I mean, now as you can see, this friggin' son of a bitch. Well, I can already tell you right now, this camera's got some shitty battery power. Friggin' the camera just died on me as I was making a last little clip it. But, as I was saying about the hood, I guess I'll just have to take some 2000 grit and hit her, I guess. So it won't be too bad right now. It's just kind of got a haze on it from me keep touching it, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I got the hood all reassembled. I got the good grill in it. So that's not the broken one. The broken one's over there. I did notice there's this grill is one little bit different, and that's just got these little hood vent things. So yeah. What's this one? Oh wait, no, this one does have it. Huh. Oh, but I did swap out the tire. I have a feeling this tire is still good, because I never pumped this tire up. So it's possible I might have to replace it or something. I don't really know, but yeah, I'm hearing a little hissy out of this tire, so it's possible I might need to replace it. I don't know. Maybe I could just throw some slime or something into it. Yeah, it's leaking somewhere down there. Oop, right there. So, I don't know, I'll have to wait and see. But everything mechanically is now done on this tractor. I just got to pretty much just clean her up and put the deck on. Deck, I'm going to sharpen the blades on probably tomorrow. I'll put the deck on tomorrow. I'd say Monday I'll bring this thing down maybe to the car wash. I really don't want to break out my power washer just yet. I'm afraid that my lines are going to freeze. So I don't know. It may just be a safer route. Drive right up on the truck and give her a quick little power wash down at the car wash. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, then we get this thing here. So I guess I could just probably park this thing outside. Well, probably should look to make sure my air cleaner, not my air cleaner, my air intake came. If not, then oh well. So maybe I'll just leave it off to the side for right now. But apparently this one, all I need to do is just get her together and she'll go. But we'll have to wait and see and find out about that. But yeah, I might just list this whole entire tractor on eBay tonight and just put it as I don't know, Scotch tractor parts, I guess. And people send me a message, I can take off on what they need. I don't know, maybe someone needs like a friggin' left tire rod end, or I don't know, that little dash panel. I mean, you never know. I've done it before in the past, it's worked out alright. So I guess I could try that. I don't know. But anyway guys, I am done for the day. It is around 2 something or other. Let's see. 2:45. Foggy. Come on, there we go. And it's 43 degrees out. So yeah, but anyway guys, hope you guys all like the new video quality. Should be a little better than before. You know, it's a Sony, so I guess we'll have to wait and see how this video comes out. But anyway, till tomorrow, don't let the wheel horse run you over.